Today we will learn Array in C part 3. Before learning this video, you have to learn the first and second part of this video. Otherwise, you can't get this video clearly. Today we will learn two-dimensional array. We already learned one-dimensional array in the previous two lectures. So what is two-dimensional array? Actually, two-dimensional array is called matrix. Elements in two-dimensional array are commonly referred to as X, I, Z. It is Xij, where I is the row number and j is the column number. A two-dimensional array can be seen as a table of x rows and y columns. If the row number is x and column numbers are y, then where the row number ranges from, because it starts from 0, it is 0 to x minus 1, and column number ranges from 0 to y minus 1. A two-dimensional array X with 3 rows and 3 columns are here. So it is x00, x01 in this way. This is two-dimensional array and it is called matrix. Memory representation of a two-dimensional array. Actually, in memory it is stored sequentially. This is row 0, this is row 1 and these are the column number. So how you can declare a two-dimensional array? If the array name is B, data type is integer, then you have to write 2, 5 means 2 row and 5 columns each. Another way for declaration, say I want to store 4 student roll number and corresponding marks. So these are the roll number and these are the marks. So you have to declare stud one array of integer type and there are 4 rows and 2 columns. In this way you can declare here second bracket, opening second bracket, closing second bracket, and within this data are within other closing bracket, opening and closing bracket. Another way is this, you can write in this way or in this way. It is necessary to mention the second column dimension, means this one 2, 3, you have to mention 3. Whereas the first dimension row is optional. See here, you can write in this way because it is 3 and because you are given the value of the array, so or elements of the array, so automatically compiler calculates and it becomes 2. But this will not work. This is wrong because two rows are there, but how many columns are there? It will not be calculated. And this is also wrong. These two syntax are wrong. Now the programming. How you can write two-dimensional array using nested for loop. Consider a situation where I want to store roll number of a student and corresponding marks. 3 student roll number and corresponding marks. So first this is our main. I am declaring this array 3 row and 2 columns, 3 row and 2 columns, and I start one for loop from 0 less than equals to 3. These 3 because 0 to less than equals to 3 means this for loop is for row, and 0 to less than equals to 2, this for loop is for column, and then printf enter roll number and marks. You take roll number, first see, first what is the value of I and what is the value of j. First it is 0, so user give stud 0 0, user give 1, then it is 0 and it is 1, so user gives, say marks is 11. Next time it becomes 2, but 2 means it is false, so next time you have to increase the outer loop, it becomes 1. It is 1 and it is 0. It is 1 and 0 means you want to supply the second student roll number, say it is 2. Now it is 1 and it is what? It is 1 and it is 1, so second student marks. Now it becomes 2, so this loop false. So again I increased, I becomes what? 2, so it is 2 and it is 0, third student roll number, and it is 2 and it is 1, so corresponding marks. In this way, by using 2 for loops, you get all data from the user in 2-dimensional array. Now your task is to print this array, just like in the same way you just print the array. How you can print? In this way, first it is 0 0, so you print first 1, then 0 1, you print 11 in this way. So when we run the program, enter student roll number and marks. First student roll number is 1, corresponding marks is 11, then roll number 2, corresponding marks is 22, then number 3, corresponding marks is 33. So this is our result. So in this way you can print, by using 2 for loop, you can print a 2-dimensional array. Now the concept of multidimensional array. Consider a situation if there are 3 schools and each school have 4 classes and each class have 2 students, then you have to use 3-dimensional array. So 3 school, each school have 4 classes, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4, and each class has 2 students. In this way, the concept of multidimensional array comes. Now go through this program and try to solve this program and comment me in the comment section what is the output of this program. This is your assignment number 4. Try all the program in your home and try to solve all the program, and feel free to ask any question. That's all for today. Thank you.